Hi, this is Judy in the embroidery department at Kaizink, and today we have a complicated placement for our logo. What we want to do is make sure that these letters are placed perfectly between these two stripes on the shirt. Now, how are we going to do that? Because when you trace, it's going to trace the whole design. So how do you know that you're getting that just right? So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're hooping nice so that your stripes are nice and straight within the hoop. And the next thing that you do is you go to your PDF of your design. Now, a lot of times the digitizer will provide this PDF. If not, when you're in your software, you go to print and say print to a PDF, and you should be able to print this out. So then we're going to cut out nice and close to the edge and nice and straight. So here I have my design cut out. We're going to take this over to the machine. What we're going to do is we're going to hit needle down. Now, if it's not in your shortcuts, you can go to manual and find needle down here. We have it in our shortcuts because we use it all the time. So you hit needle down, and you want your needle pretty low. This is higher, lower, 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 lower. We want it pretty low so that we can align our needle exactly where we want it. And D14 means push start. Sometimes it doesn't work the first time. Don't know why. If anybody knows why, let us know. So when we lower our needle, we're going to put our design exactly where we want it on the shirt and get that lettering centered within those two stripes exactly where we want it. And then align our needle to the crosshairs on the PDF. And you can adjust up and down until you hit that point exactly. And once you do, you're going to have stitching exactly where you want it to be. Thanks for watching.